In this video we'll be looking at how to install the Silent Update Wizard tool. The CaseWare Silent Update Wizard tool will be sent to you in an MSI format. This will need to be extracted before you can install it. Once extracted, open or run the application called Setup. The default save location for the wizard will be on your C drive. If you need to change this location, you can do this by clicking the Browse button and navigating to the new save location. You can then select Next to proceed. If you wish to create a shortcut to the Silent Update Wizard on the desktop, you can do this by selecting the tick box. Once again, you can then select Next to proceed. You can do a final review of the settings selected and then select Install. If you select the tick box, clicking on Finish will then launch the Silent Update Wizard, which is now ready for you to use. For more videos and other useful information, please visit kb.caseware.co.uk or contact our support team using the information shown on screen.